Alright guys, we've got a 2005 Big Dog Pitbull chopper motorcycle for sale. This bike currently has 12,168 very well cared for miles. Now this particular bike is equipped with the bright red metallic base paint job. And the bike looks absolutely stunning. Now in 2005, Big Dog equipped these bikes with the extremely powerful 117 cubic inch, 1,916 cc S&S V twin motor. They also equipped the bikes with the 6-speed Baker transmission. You've got the right side balanced drive, and then you've also got P&M disc brakes. Now this particular bike does have a few different adds. First off, you've got a custom headlight, a little bit smaller, sleek headlight. Definitely gives the bike some character. Makes it a little bit different than everyone else's bike. You've also got the Big Dog ostrich leather seat. Haven't seen many of these around throughout the years of acquiring these bikes, so it is definitely rare. You've got the sissy bar ready strut, so you can just pop in a sissy bar if you're able to find one, which you should be able to. You've got the custom pipes, almost a drag pipe, definitely gives the bike a very throaty sound. You've got the spike cone air filter. And then you've got custom flame, or more or less tribal accent mirrors. Now I'd rate this bike at a 8.75 out of a 10. It does have 12,000 miles, so you do have some road wear on the bike. Nothing too crazy, but definitely want to point out as much as possible. First off, the rear fender, you've got a few minor surface scratches and pen-sized tip chips. There's one there, one there. Try to get as much of an idea as possible on this. The frame back here, you've got a minor chip right there, probably about a quarter size, well, more like an eighth of a diameter. You've got a few marks from where the old exhaust was there. The electrical covers, the tabs are broken on them, so they're a little loose. I'm going to try to zip tie those up to make them a little bit more secure. Tank's in good shape, but you do have a few. You've got a blemish here from the brake cable hanging down and the throttle cable. The gas caps are a little, you've got some surface scratches on those. You know, the bike's been ridden, but it's definitely not in terrible shape. Polish belt's in pretty good shape, could use a little bit of elbow grease to look perfect. Front fender has a few chips. There. Let's get behind here and then we'll show you the front in a second. That right there is reflection from the chrome on the engine. Got a few front chips up here. You have a scratch right there, probably about 1.5 inches long. And then you've got some minor scrapes right there as well. Few minor rock chips there. You can definitely tell it's been on the road, but nothing too crazy. The frame has a few rock chips as well. Nothing you wouldn't expect. The cable's here, rubbing on that fairing piece on the tank. But definitely a sharp looking bike, that's for sure. So up front you've got a 21-inch rim, in the rear you've got a 18-inch rim. You've got the gigantic 300 series tire mounted on that. Rear tire has less than 300 miles on it. It was replaced within this last season. Front tire is definitely worn and definitely needs to be replaced. I haven't done it yet, but that's something we can talk about once we come to terms on the bike itself. So the front headlight, where the piece with the bezel where it tightens the headlight, it's a little scraped in there. Hopefully it's giving you a good picture of that. Just want to make sure I disclose as much as possible. So, but when the sun hits that red metallic paint, I mean, there's nothing else like it. Definitely a beautiful paint job. Great contrast between the chrome and the polished billets. So. All right, let's go ahead and start it up for you. definitely does show. The bike runs extremely well. Drives even better. Definitely a blast to ride. If you do have any other questions or concerns, definitely don't hesitate to either shoot me an email or give me a call. I'd love to answer any of those questions for you. Definitely appreciate your time, and most definitely look forward to the possibility of working with you. Please also check out my other YouTube videos. I do buy and sell quite a few big dog motorcycles and Harley-Davidsons. Please also subscribe to me. It's a great way to keep track of my inventory. Anyhow, do appreciate your time, and we'll talk to you later.